YouTube, what it do, man? It's your boy NateJustDope, back with another video. NJD Nation, what's up with it, man? Today's video, as y'all can see by the title, this title, as y'all can see, man, it is one that y'all been telling me to do for the longest, man. And that is, should I flat iron my hair? Should I get my hair flat ironed? Now, me personally, I believe when I got my hair blown out the first time, I was like, ain't this kind of like flat ironing? But I was like, nah, it ain't. It really ain't. You know what I'm saying? It's just straightening your hair a little bit. But, you know, so I've been thinking to myself, maybe I should get it flat iron, you know what I'm saying? Because y'all been wanting to see it for the longest. And I think it's, you know what I'm saying, at a good length now where I could get it flat iron and stuff, man. But before I go and jump right into that, man, I'm gonna go ahead and see some other people and see how they did with their hair getting flat ironed. So I'm gonna watch somebody else get their hair, you know what I'm saying, flat ironed. Depending on the video, if I like it and the way they do it, I may try it out, but we gonna see. So I see somebody right here and her name is a streamer, Simone, and she's doing her boyfriend's hair, and that's how I may do it. I may get somebody else to do my hair, you know what I'm saying, do the flat iron and stuff, because I ain't got time for all that, you know what I'm saying. I got somebody to blow out my hair, so what makes y'all think I'm gonna actually flat iron my hair myself? I ain't gonna do it. I'm gonna get somebody else to do it, you know what I'm saying. I'm slick lazy like that. I ain't gonna cap. So yeah, she got a lot of views on this video, so it should be a good video to see if I'm gonna go ahead and go through with this, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my screen recording on. Hopefully it works, you know. So we're just gonna see. All right. So with that being said, it's not too long, so hopefully I like the results from how she did it, and we're just gonna see, man. So yeah, with that being said, let's go. Hey, his hair just like mine, bro. Well, it looked like it. I don't know.
You wanna say what's up 18 with me? 1, 2, 3. Alright. What's up 18? It's the streamer Simone, and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm gonna be straightening my boyfriend's hair.
Here?
Say hi, babe. Okay, so if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do so now so that you can be a part of the A team.
Go subscribe.
And we're about to go wash his hair, but I'm not going to record that part because the same routine that I use for myself, I use for him. So if you want to see my wash routine, you could go and watch that video after I'm done.
Why you stop? Go.
So you do it. You go watch that video after watching this one, okay? So stay tuned and continue watching if you want to see how I straighten his hair. Okay, so I just finished washing his hair. Now I'm gonna blow dry.
That's exactly how my hair be looking, bro.
Thermal protection spray by Chi. I'm not gonna put anything else in his hair because anytime you're flat ironing hair, when you put a lot of products in it, it kind of weighs it down. So I'm just gonna put this in it, blow dry.
Didn't know that.
I'll be back to show you how I straighten the hair. Okay, so I just finished blow drying his hair. It took about an hour and a half. His hair is
That's how long it took for mine to get blown out,
so
bro.
it took a while. Yeah, so now I'm about to start flat ironing it. So let's get to the flat ironing. So I'm just going to be adding some cream press into his hair just to make it more moisturized because it's a little dry right now. Then I'm just going to detangle his hair to make it easier to use the flat iron through it because his hair is pretty thick. Then I'm going to use a rat tail comb to make the hair more finer when I'm using it to do the chasing method. This
So it's called a rat tail comb.
Brand Red.
Never knew that. I just called it a small tooth comb.
Justice. I haven't really switched up my flat irons because this flat iron has been working for so long and it's just doing well.
I'm just scared to get burnt, bro. That's the only thing. I don't want to get burnt. That's crazy. Flat irons work wonders, bro. That's crazy.
I have to go over one section about 2 to 3 times. The flat iron is on 250, so it's not really high. I'm not trying to add heat damage to his hair. But
that's another thing. I'm scared of heat damage, bro.
At least 2 to 3 times because his hair is really, really thick.
That's crazy though. Dang.
Now I'm finally done with half of
That's how low my that's crazy.
How much hair this is, how thick it is. It took a little while. Now I'm going to move on to the other side.
He look like what's his name? I forgot his name. I'm gonna put a picture up on the video. Y'all know what I'm talking about. But he looked just like him. Max B. Yeah, Max B. Just came to me. I'm sorry.
By the way, I'm not burning his hair. That is just steam. Flat irons do create steam when it is on for a long period of time.
Oh, okay.
And voila, I'm finally done. It took
Sheesh,
about
that's crazy.
2.5 hours. His
2.5
hair was
hours?
really thick, as you can see. I know I've been
Oh
saying
my
that
God.
over and over, but it took a long while. And it looks like he likes it. So, yeah.
Hey man, I'm gonna be like Snoop Dogg, but like, you know what I'm saying?
I'm not trying to copy you. I just finished straightening his hair. It took a really long time. He has really thick hair. While I was straightening it, it started to poof out, as you could see. It's really thick, but he has like length. It's long.
That's
I
crazy.
just topped it off with some serum by Garnier Fructis to kind of keep down the frizz, but I think it came out pretty good. You like it, babe?
Yeah, thanks for watching.
I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please subscribe to my channel.
Alright, so y'all seen it happen, man. What y'all think, man? Me personally, man, I'm 50-50. You know what I'm saying? One part of me wants to do it just to see how it would look, and then the other part of me is like, nah, because of heat damage and stuff. Me personally, bro, I'm scared of heat damage. I don't want it to damage my hair, you know what I'm saying, too bad. But like I said, part of me wants to do it, bro. So if y'all want me to do it, comment down below. I'll probably leave like a little poll up at the top somewhere, and you know what I'm saying, y'all can vote if I should or not, which I'm pretty sure most of the comments is gonna be, or most of the votes is gonna be do it, you know what I'm saying. But if I do it, y'all gotta share that video, man. Y'all gotta do it, man. But yeah, so that's pretty much it, man. So now if you're new, you like what you see, go down, hit the subscribe button, and once you do that, hit the bell so y'all can be notified when I drop new videos, because they will drop randomly, like I always say. Good vibes only. 454 season 2 is now here. I was about to say on the way, but it's now here, you know what I'm saying. Summer collection, go cop if y'all want to, you know what I'm saying. I will leave the link down in the description below, man. I appreciate all the support on it already, man. I appreciate it a lot, man. But yes, I will leave her link to this video down in the description below, bars. And yeah, so if y'all want me to do it, let me know and I will bring it to y'all. So now, with that being said, it's your boy NateJustDope signing out. Deuces. That was kind of cringy. Deuces. Okay. I'm off this one.
I couldn't get a bill paid. You could buy the real thing. I was staying over your place, trying to figure out the whole thing. I saw people doing things. I don't think I want to use the thing. But we all so small now. All night.